What's up, YouTube? Lanelli Novella back in the building. Get right to it, starting with the brows. I use this BH Cosmetic palette and I trace my brows with the pomade and like the lighter brown color, kind of blondish. And you see me blending out the product here. After that, I do the other brow, and then after I'm done using this product, you'll see me go into the powder and go in and fill in the brows a little bit more to make them more defined. So it's been a minute since I did YouTube videos, and I'm sorry, you guys. I definitely really want to get back into it. I really want to just get into like developing different content. So definitely be on the looks. Be sure to subscribe. And now I'm about to trace my brows and clean them up with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in medium. I'm using a very little brush just to kind of clean up my brows and make it really precise. But yeah, so here I am blending out the concealer. I'm going to top my brows out with my favorite brow gel. It's called GimmeBrow. It's a fiber gel that really allows your brows to look more realistic. I'm going into my foundation with the Clinique Beyond Perfecting. I have blended it all out. It looks so beautiful. And now I'm using my BoxyCharm CoverFX face palette, which is in dark, like medium dark, and it's such a beautiful palette. I'm currently contouring using the bronzer. I'm trying to cover this little fat chin because I did get a little chunky, unfortunately, but that's what happens when you get in a good relationship. Now I'm about to get the blush on and really apply that to the apple of the cheeks and blend that out. One thing that I did forget to do was concealer, so here I am going back with my Shape Tape Concealer and dancing, and going and just concealing my face so I can drown out the harshness of the bronzer and blush. But you will see me go again and like blend it back on top. Yeah. So yeah, putting some more bronzer on just to kind of like make sure I didn't white out my face. Now I'm using a setting powder by Makeup Revolution. I'll show it later, which is the banana, and it's a really good setting powder. I would definitely recommend it. It's only $9 and it instantly mattifies your face. There it goes, and there goes my boyfriend being extra as always. But I love him. And now I'm going back with the brightener and the face palette from CoverFX, and the highlighter. I actually use both of them to get that extra highlight. And I also put the bronzer on my eyes, like it was all over with color, and I'm now applying it on the bottom lash line to definitely open up my eyes a little bit more. And here I am just applying the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Really, really good on the lashes. I really liked the results I received from this mascara. It really allowed my lashes to pop. And then now I'm setting my face with all nighter setting spray, and then I'm using this TreStique. I think it's from my BoxyCharm. It has a primer that's at the bottom, and then it's like a lip balm, but it's really soft and I really liked it. And then I'm gonna top it with this Ozuna Rose Gold glitter matte. It like dries matte, but it still has glitter. It was like amazing. And here I am busting these moves, showing y'all this look. You know what I'm saying? Lanelli Novella. Be sure to give a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.